Here's how to reset Instagram algorithm. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can reset Instagram algorithm. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first step, just go to Instagram. And before that, I just want to make sure to let you know that you need to be on the latest iOS version on your phone as well. And just make sure to be on latest Instagram and latest iOS. So yeah, just go to Instagram and check if you got any updates. I'm on the latest version, but just make sure that you're on the latest Instagram OS and you're good to go. So now here, as you can see, my feed has, this kind of stuff. So let me just reset it by simply going to my profile right over here. And then by pressing on these three horizontal lines on the corner. And then right over here, what you need to do is just scroll down a bit until you see the option of suggested content. So here, as you can see, in under the what you see section, you'll see suggested content as the third option. Just go ahead and press on that. And right over here, you'll see the last option called reset suggested content. Just go ahead and press on that. And then just simply press on next. And then reset suggested content. And then there you go. And yeah, it's just resetted the suggested content. And here, as you can see, everything has been resetted. And yeah, this is actually it on how you can reset Instagram algorithm. I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.